Hi there, good morning. I'm Janpata Puthon and I'm here in my room. This is the hillside hotel and resort overlooking the city of Kathmandu, capital of Nepal. And actually, this is my last day staying here. I came to Nepal on the 23rd of November. Today is December the 1st. This is the actually the ninth or the 10th day of my stay here, and I really enjoy the opportunity given by me by the creative writing group and the Nepalese teacher English language teacher association inviting me to run a series of workshops and to participate in the creative writing workshop. On the 25th, on the 24th, I went to a conference, the Post Nelta conference in a school in the city of Kathmandu, and over there I ran a workshop, and the title of my workshop was "Let's Laugh and Learn English Creatively" or something. It's an hour session with over 50 participants. All of them were fantastic, Nepalese English language teachers, and it was the best, one of the best workshops I ever had in a foreign country, actually. And then on the 25th, in the morning, um, with 10 others, creative writers, we took a van, okay, and we left around nine o'clock, from Kathmandu in front of this hotel to all the way to Pokhara. I hope my pronunciation is like Pokhara is a resort town just northwest of Kathmandu. It took us about 7 hours on the road, even though the distance itself is not that far, but because of the traffic and the road condition, it took us a longer. Maybe we were driving too slow. Anyway, but all the way we did enjoy time together, chatting, and we stopped many places. Stopped for coffee, and then we stopped for lunch, and then we continue. And we got to Pokhara in the evening, actually, and we went there in the evening, and it was great. Yeah, and we spent almost 5 days in Pokhara. I think from the 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th. Actually, 5 days. On the 29th, and we had a conference as well. I did a workshop, and after the finish of the conference, we came back together in a van. We traveled in the afternoon and through the evening. We got to Kathmandu rather late, around midnight. Okay, so and that's what happened. And yesterday, the last day of November the 30th, we went. I mean, just three of us, me and Tui from Vietnam and Sonia from Bali, Indonesia. We rented a taxi and we went to two temples, the monkey temples and Bodhana, which is a Buddhist temple. And we spent time shopping and looking around the city of Kathmandu. We went in the morning. We got back around 3 p.m. And after that, we just little relaxed and we went up to the balcony upstairs, and we had dinner. And Professor Vishnu Rai came over, and Alan Maley, and Dr. Fun Lee, and then the party. We had dinner. We had great time, chit chatting and getting to know more of each other. And it was a great dinner actually. But the thing is that yesterday, including this morning, actually, it was fantastic. The view from the balcony over, looking across the valley to actually, yes, to the other side of the valley, and over the hill you see the Himalayas. That's the Himalayas. That high one among the highest peaks. Actually, is fantastic. That's a good, great view. And that's the we went to bed. And this morning I just woke up. I woke up actually a while ago, and we went to have breakfast together. It's also a great view. And also this morning, an Italian man, I forgot his name. He showed me. I mean, he pointed to me that that's the peak of the highest mountain in the world. That's Mount Everest, standing tall 8,848 meters. That's the elevation of the mountain. And I actually saw it. It was stunningly beautiful, majestic, I would say. Still far away, but yeah, but that's it. I don't have any intention or desire to actually climb the highest mountain in the world. My, I know myself. I'm not drawn. I don't. I won't let myself drawn into that temptation and you know adventurous spirit. I just want to have a look, great view. You can look at it from afar, and it's been one of the best foreign experiences in my life. Not because of the praise, actually, the praise is one of them, but it's not because of the view or anything. It's because of the friends that we have, and good time, together with friends, creative writers, and yeah, I will cherish this moment until the rest of my life. And even though this is just the second visit, my first visit to the capital city here, it was in 1999, about 20 years ago. I was very young. I couldn't remember much that time. I was alone. I was a loner, and now it's different. I came here as a presenter, and with friends, with people looking after me, and that's yeah, that's fantastic. I mean, and I wish I could uh, share with you the moment and the experience. If you are watching me and you are my students, my message to you is to, take your time and do a bit of reading, traveling, and chatting and getting to know people from your own country and from somewhere else, like foreign friends, and then getting to know each other. But the most important thing, you know what, is the English language, your English language ability. You must never cease to develop yourself. There is always room for improvement. Even though you may say that, oh, I've graduated, I'm done with my first degree. But your first degree is just your first step. There are more steps. There are many things that you will need to do and you need to learn. Never stop learning, and try to broaden your perspective, your worldview, and getting to know people and share with them your experiences, helping people. making yourself useful. I mean, if you help them, they help you. If you're nice to them, they are nice to you. It's just your perspective, your attitudes towards working. If you do what you like, if you do what you're good at, and you develop yourself professionally, you will be, satisfied with whatever you do. Of course, there are challenges. It's not ever been easy, but this is life. The irony of life is that the more you look for happiness, uh, you won't find happiness when you are looking for one, but you may find happiness when you are not looking for it. That's it for me. And from the hotel room 202 in the capital city of Nepal, Kathmandu. And I hope to actually share with you more of the stories of my travel. So this is just my video library, video journal, summing up my uh, mission here. I don't want to see it's a mission. It's just an opportunity for me to learn more about the world and to um, enjoy being with people, the world, humanities, and to learn more about myself. Okay, thank you for watching.